Hi, second graders. We are ready now to start our landscape drawing. We have watched or listened to a story about Grandma Moses. We watched a very short video on understanding landscapes and about foreground, middle ground, and background. It's now time that we start our drawing. I'm going to show you, this is something, what your drawing will end up looking like. We're going to have a barn and a silo and a house. I don't have all of my details, but at least I'm started, and that's what we're going to try and do right now. So before we begin, here's my blank piece of paper. You're going to be drawing with a black crayon. I'm not going to have you draw with a pencil because everyone is so quick to erase with a pencil. We're just going to start right away with a crayon. Don't worry if you make a mistake because we will be painting and you can paint right over that mistake. I'm going to start with my barn and silo, and you can put your barn wherever you like in your picture. I'm going to draw it probably right around here, and I'm going to start with an upside down V like that, and I'm going to make a line across. Okay? Okay, here comes my dog. All right, now here I'm going to make a line diagonal, and this line matches this line. Okay? I'm going to connect so you can quickly see that this is going to become the roof. The next thing I'm going to do is a line here and a line on this side. Now the one thing is, this line and this line need to be the same length, okay? So if I put a ruler across, they would be the same length. Now I'm going to take from this point here, and I'm going to make a line down, but this line is going to be just a little bit longer. Do you see that? Now I'm going to connect them. So connect and connect. So now we have a three-dimensional building. I can darken those lines up. I'm going to make the silo. The silo is going to go a little bit behind the barn. Okay, the bottom of it I'm going to round a bit, and then the top I'm going to use a triangle shape. I'm going to put my door here, my barn, maybe a line down here. Okay, so there's my barn. Now I'm going to move my paper over, and my barn's going to be out of the picture for a minute, and I'm going to worry about the house. Now the house, I want to be smaller than the barn, so I need to draw it up a little bit, not really high, up a little bit, and I know I'm going to draw it smaller. I'm going to start much the same way, upside down triangle. I'm going to make a line go back this way. This line comes down to match this line. See? I'm going to connect it. I'm going to make a line down here. And this line, remember, this line and this line have to be the same length. And then this line comes down a little bit longer. And now I'm going to connect it. So now my house looks three-dimensional. And I can go ahead and add some details, but I'm not going to worry about the details right now. So here I put my picture back so you can see both buildings. And you can see this one's up a little bit higher than this one. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to start over at this far edge, and I'm going to make a line. This is going to be the foreground. So all this space here, including the barn, this is the foreground. Now I'm going to go back here, and that's going to be the middle ground. And now I'm going to add some hills in the background. There's my hills in the background. That's it for now, and I'll show you what's next in our next video.